After a great partnership with the German engineering firm Enevra that launched a 3D prosthetic program aimed to transform orthopedic rehabilitations to persons living with disabilities, most residents, men, women and kids with amputated limbs in Webuye West constituency are continuously benefiting from the program. The Joseph Waswa Foundation now provides a low-cost 3D-printed prosthetics to amputees of low income, developing and implementing a 3D printing framework for producing affordable prostheses, enabling local production and bringing comfort to the amputees. Local medical professionals have also benefited from the program by being trained to create, produce prostheses and fix equipments. With the advanced 3D printing technology, the program aims to enable local production of affordable, durable and precisely fitted prosthetic limbs, reducing reliance on costly imported limbs while enhancing comfort and durability to the users. The Joseph Waswa Foundation's office is located at Webuye T Junction, adjacent to Webuye County Hospital. For more information, reach us through the number 0727 205 205.